Hello everyone, this is Venu here and I am going to teach you Python. Introduction to Programming with Python. So before starting this, I just want to give you a brief definition about the Python. Python is a general purpose dynamic object oriented programming language, and it is also a high level programming language. Okay, this is a best definition which is available and we'll discuss about this later. Okay, so why Python when there are many other programming languages such as Java, C++, C Sharp? There are many other programming languages, but why we are choosing Python? You know, in 80s, 90s or till 2010, when you ask anyone, an experienced programmers or developers or professors, any other guys who are into IT, they tell us to learn C language. But now those days are gone. They ask us nowadays, they ask us to learn Python, because starting to learn the Python as a fresher, or if you're interested, then just to go with the Python, a new scripting or programming language which will be the future. Okay, but why? Because it's very simple to learn and easy to learn. Easy means as easy as learning English, and it's free and open source. Okay, before that, I just want to give you a brief history about the Python. Like, who is the man behind the Python? The creator and the founder of Python, he is the man behind the Python programming language, none other than Mr. Guido Van Rossum. Okay, he is the guy, man behind Python programming language. He designed and developed a Python programming language, and the main reason for developing this scripting and programming language is that because of ABC. You know what is ABC? ABC is another general purpose programming language and a programming environment which is used for developing a distributed operating system. When he was working with a Netherlands company CWI for a project called as Amoeba. Okay, Mr. Guido Van Rossum, when he was working for this distributed operating system, he used ABC as their backend programming language. Okay, that is also a general purpose programming language. So the reason, the design of Python, existence of Python is ABC. That is ABC as a programming language, a general purpose programming language. So this is a brief history of Python, guys. So now I have designed this course as a beginner course, and the course agenda is like, I have designed it for a beginner and as well as for advanced, and any other person who just want to learn a new programming language, who is a fresher, or anyone who is interested to learn the language, and even he is a experienced also, they can learn this language. So in such a way I have designed this course. Okay, so we'll discuss this course in detail. Okay, and the target expectations, like setting expectations, I am not I'm just, my target audience will be the people who will be the new to the programming, students or who want to change the career, and IT professionals, and anyone who is interested to learn the programming. Okay, so already we have seen this, like the history of a Python, the man behind the Python. We have to remember him. Is a great such a person who has created many lives with the Python. Okay, so when he started designing this Python, he wants to come up with a new version of ABC parts. Like, he wants to use few parts, few components of ABC, few features which he wants to integrate into Python, but not the problems of ABC. He just want to introduce the parts of Python with the new definitions, and he came up with writing a new version of ABC parts, and those which he developed were a virtual machine, parser, runtime, basic syntax, indentation. And here in Python we are not going to use any curly braces or open braces or anything. Just we follow indentation, that is used for grouping the statements. Okay, and apart from that, he developed most and powerful data types such as dictionary, list, strings and numbers, hash tables. Okay, so we'll discuss more in detail. My agenda will be like getting started with, we'll discuss about the few introduction part of like what is a program and what is an algorithm, difference between the interpreter and compiler. Okay, and next, Python 2 versus the Python 3. What are the different? We have both customized like versions like Python 2 and Python 3. We will discuss in detail about what is the Python 2 and what is the Python 3, and who is using Python nowadays and what are the features of Python and why Python. Okay, so we'll start discussing more in detail on this part. Okay, thank you.